Here is a regular size egg. That's what I got yesterday. I think it's gonna be a double yolker. Let's see. I'm ready to eat breakfast. And that's a large egg. I picked one of the large ones. That's a big one. Hang on, let's see if it's a double yolker. I'm not good at cracking with one hand. I'm gonna mess this up bad. Double yolker. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Some girl out there working hard. Thought you might want to see that. Get 1, 2, 3 year maybe. Double yolker. I don't know which one it's out of. I got black Australorps and Plymouth Rocks. Not sure what it's out of, but it is a double yolker. Let's have some breakfast. Good stuff.